If you're looking to upgrade your home's lighting without the hassle, you're in for a treat. We're counting down the top 5 best light switches that blend smart tech with simple everyday control. From sleek wall plates to voice-ready options, this lineup has something for every style and setup. Today, I'm going to be going over the best light switches that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the G44017. This grounding replacement switch is designed to bring modern electrical safety to older wiring, a scenario many homes face when an aging panel and non-grounded switches meet everyday life. G44017 focuses on reliability in the most practical sense. A sturdy metal strap, clear terminal labeling, and a ground screw that provides a dependable path to earth when the switch is in use. In real-world terms, that means lower risk of stray shocks on damp basements, kitchens with humid air, or projects where a simple upgrade is all you can reasonably do without pulling new cable throughout the wall. Unit is built to handle typical residential loads with a 15-amp, 120-volt rating, which corresponds to most ceiling fans, modest lighting circuits, and standard outlets near hallways. Installation is straightforward for a competent DIY. Power off at the breaker, remove the existing non-grounded switch, connect the hot and switched wires to the back wire clamps, secure the ground, and mount the device into the box with the strap aligned to the wall stud. Tactile feedback of the toggle is a reminder of a time-tested hardware approach, a satisfying snap that signals a solid on or off state without requiring any calibration or smart hubs. Finish on the G44017 is designed to resist fingerprints and corrosion, a subtle but meaningful touch in kitchens and laundry rooms where moisture and handling are frequent. Safety testing and UL listing back up the practical claims, reinforcing confidence for homeowners who want a low-profile but robust upgrade. While this is a pure mechanical upgrade with no smart features to worry about, its value comes from stability, compatibility, and a longer service life under load. Compared to the Amazon Basic Smart Switch, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the G44017 offers a straightforward, durable, non-network solution that emphasizes safety and longevity over automation. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basic Smart Switch. This model is built for modern homes that want voice control, scheduling, and remote access without a complicated hub setup, making it ideal for quick upgrades to existing lighting circuits. Single-pole design supports standard lighting loads at up to 15A 120V, which covers most ceiling lights and lamps in a typical living space. Central feature is its neutral requirement, which ensures a stable power reference for the smart electronics and reduces flicker or inconsistent dimming on compatible bulbs. The device connects via a reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, unlocking control from your phone or smart speaker, with straightforward pairing steps and a compact form factor that fits neatly into a busy wall box without crowding adjacent switches. The Amazon Basic Smart Switch supports common voice assistance, so you can issue a hands-free command to turn lights on or off, set routines for morning wake-ups, or create sunset schedules to reduce energy usage. Setup experience is designed to be approachable for homeowners who are comfortable with standard electrical work, yet safe for those who prefer professional installation. It does not require a separate hub, which keeps the ecosystem simple and approachable for most households. Durability is balanced with cost in mind. The switch uses a robust plastic housing with well-fitted terminals that resist loosening over time, and the internal electronics are designed to handle typical use cycles without degradation. One caveat to consider is that, like many budget smart switches, the feature set focuses on convenience rather than advanced energy monitoring or multi-way control. So if you need complex scenes or three-way switching, you may want to explore more feature-rich options. Compared to the Casa HS200P3, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Amazon Basic Smart Switch offers a more focused single-switch solution in a compact form, but lacks a multi-pack option and some advanced scheduling options found in dedicated kits. At number 3, we have the Casa HS200P3. This is a 3-pack of single-pole smart switches that brings in wall automation to multiple circuits at once. Ideal for a coordinated lighting upgrade across a living room, hallway, and entryway. Each switch connects to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and works with major voice assistants, including Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control rooms individually or in synchronized scenes with your existing smart home. HS200P3 uses a familiar Casa app workflow for setup, creating schedules, timers, and scenes that respond to your routine without requiring a hub. The design focuses on a slim profile that fits into most standard wall boxes and keeps the wiring tidy with backwire and screw clamp options for secure connections. In terms of load handling, Each unit is rated for up to 15A at 120V, which comfortably supports typical home lighting and some ceiling fan circuits where acceptable per code. Installation tips include labeling each switch location, verifying neutral availability if your circuit requires it, and testing each module individually before fielding a full wall installation. The three-pack nature of the product makes it easier to implement uniform control in multiple rooms without managing separate orders or shipments. Compared to the Enerlytes 91150W, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Kasa HS200P3 emphasizes smart features and multi-unit control, whereas Enerlytes focuses on straightforward mechanical switching. At number 2, we have the Enerlytes 91150W. Enerlytes is known for practical, dependable wall switches that emphasize ease of install and compatibility with a broad range of residential wiring. And the 91150W is a representative example designed for standard single-pole operation. The device handles a comfortable 15A load, 125V, which aligns with the common power draw of most interior lighting and small appliances that sit on wall circuits. The white decorator-style face blends with a wide array of room decors, and the backwire clamps along with traditional screw terminals provide flexible wiring options for both new installations and upgrades. Build quality sits in that middle ground where sturdy metal contacts, a durable thermoplastic face, and a reliable toggle mechanism translate to long-term daily use. This model is UL listed for safety and reliability in both residential and light commercial contexts, a factor many homeowners weigh when upgrading from older switches. Installers will appreciate its standard dimensions, which fit into common one-gang boxes and align with standard box depth, reducing the chance of wiring crowding behind the plate. The device also emphasizes reliability over flashy features, with a straightforward on/off action that remains crisp after many cycles. In a practical sense, it provides a cost-effective upgrade path for rooms where you want the feeling of new construction without the complexity of smart features. Compared to the Ada single-pole toggle switch, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Enerlytes unit prioritizes traditional mechanical reliability and straightforward compatibility, while the Ada option adds ground-fast, quick-wire convenience for quick installations. At number 1, we have the Ada single-pole toggle switch. This switch is built around the ethos of quick, dependable installation, with a self-grounding feature that helps to simplify wiring in residential boxes where a separate grounding conductor may be missing or uncertain. Quickwire design is a standout here, letting you insert conductors directly into secure terminals with a click to lock them in place, reducing the fiddling that can come with other switches and speeding up the project timeline. 15A 125V rating aligns with standard lighting and small appliance loads, delivering consistent performance across daily use. The body is designed to tolerate repeated toggling and frequent contact with dust and humidity, which is common in hallways and kitchens. Robust toggle action and a clearly labeled terminal layout contribute to a predictable, user-friendly experience for both pros and DIYers. Safety remains a central focus, with UL listing and a grounding path that remains reliable across vibration and temperature changes within normal home environments. Materials chosen strive for a balance between durability and cost, offering a product that feels premium without overcommitting on price. Ada's approach to installation also means fewer surprises when you are upgrading multiple boxes in one project, which is why this unit earns its top ranking in this lineup. Compared to the G44017, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Ada switch emphasizes smart, user-friendly installation details and a strong grounding option, while the G model concentrates on durable grounded utility for older wiring scenarios.